guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for forever, but we're gonna jump right into this boohoo haul. This haul has been like long overdue. I ordered these clothes about a month ago, so I'm just gonna tell you everything about it now, and then for the video I'm just gonna let you see the clothing on, and I'm not gonna talk through it. All these clothing were good quality. This is a sweater that I ordered. The only thing I would have to say about boohoo is the sizing is a little off. I ordered two sizes of a 2 and a 4. They say that that's a small, but I feel like the two sizes, they all were like too small, and there were a couple items that you will see that I point to it or say that it's too small. The 2 is like an extra small, and the 4s are like smalls, and the 4s fit me perfect. Other than that, I did order all this stuff when it was 60% off. You guys should catch that sale. Boohoo is like always like having things on sale, but you do have to pay for shipping, and the shipping was $5.99, and it took about 2 to 3 weeks. That was only because at the time there was a hurricane watch, so they kept delaying my order. But enough talking. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.